My religion is the best and not yours. Such a bold claim, isn't it? Yet it's one that has echoed through the ages, whispered in the ears of countless generations. But let me ask you, what does it truly mean to hold this belief, to feel deep in your heart that your path is the only true one? What happens when billions of souls, each on their own journey, believe the very same thing? Look at the world today. Wars have been waged, communities torn apart, and families divided, all in the name of being right, of being chosen. But here's the thing, as you watch this, you might be thinking, yes, I see how others have fallen into this trap. Perhaps unconsciously you distance yourself, believing that it's another religion, another community that has this problem. But there it is, the subtle deceit. Even now, as you listen, are you not tempted to see the fault in others rather than in yourself? It is so easy, so comfortable to point the finger outward, but let me remind you, the moment you do, you miss the point entirely. The truth, dear seeker, is that religion is not the enemy. It is a tool, a vessel meant to carry us closer to the divine. But when we hold it too tightly, when we cling to it with blind devotion, it becomes a weapon that divides rather than unites, that breeds contempt rather than compassion. Ask yourself this: when did your religion teach you to hate? When did it tell you that others, those who walk a different path, are less worthy, less human? And if it did, are you willing to question it, to dig beneath the surface and uncover the truth that lies hidden beneath dogma and tradition? And now I ask you to pause, close your eyes, take a breath, a deep, slow breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of all the thoughts swirling in your mind. Do it again. Inhale, exhale. And as you do, feel the presence of something greater than yourself. This, my friend, is the essence of connection, not through words, not through rituals, but through the simple act of breathing, of being. Chanting, too, is a powerful tool. It is not about the words you say, but the vibration, the resonance that aligns you with the divine. When you chant, you are not just speaking, you are tuning your soul to the frequency of the universe. But remember, the chant is a means, not the end. It is a way to quiet the mind, to still the endless chatter that pulls us away from our true nature. Do not become a slave to your thoughts. Do not let them convince you that your way is the only way. Instead, use the tools of your faith, prayer, meditation, breath, and chant to transcend thought, to connect directly with the divine essence that resides in all of us. And so we return to where we began. My religion is the best and not yours. What a dangerous, limiting belief that is. For in truth, no path is superior. Each is but a different melody in the grand symphony of life. The divine does not play favorites. It speaks to each of us in the language we best understand. So, dear seeker, I ask you, how will you use your faith? Will you let it be a source of division, or will you let it be a bridge to deeper understanding? Will you cling to it blindly, or will you allow it to guide you to a place of love and unity? Comment below with the questions that stir in your soul, for it is through questioning, through seeking, that we find the answers we truly need. And if this journey resonates with you, subscribe to continue exploring the mysteries of life together.